Understanding the phrase, let's touch base, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language. Let's touch base. This phrase is popular in both professional and casual settings, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. Let's touch base is an idiomatic expression used to suggest making contact with someone at a later time to discuss something. It's often used in professional settings, but you can also hear it in casual conversations. The phrase implies a brief exchange of information or a quick check-in, rather than a detailed or lengthy discussion. It's like saying, let's quickly update each other in the future. The phrase, touch base, originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a player must touch each of the 4 bases on the field to score a run. Metaphorically, touching base in conversation means making brief contact or checking in with someone. It's a way of ensuring that everyone involved is informed and up to date, similar to how a baseball player touches bases to complete a circuit. In professional contexts, when concluding a meeting, before we wrap up, let's touch base next week to see how things are progressing. When planning future discussions, I'll touch base with you after the conference to exchange our thoughts. In casual settings, with friends, let's touch base later this week to finalize our weekend plans. In personal networks, I'll touch base with you soon to catch up on everything. Remember, the phrase suggests a brief, future interaction, so it's ideal for situations where a detailed discussion isn't necessary immediately. Don't overuse it. This phrase is best used sparingly. Overusing it can make your speech sound insincere or robotic. Context is key. Ensure the situation calls for a brief, future check-in. It's not suitable for situations requiring immediate, detailed communication. Avoid ambiguity. Be clear about when and how you plan to touch base. Vagueness can lead to misunderstandings. And that's it for Let's Touch Base. This phrase is a great tool for indicating a desire to stay in contact and update each other in the future. We hope this video helps you understand and use Let's Touch Base confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to touch base with us in our next video. Happy learning!